Okay, here are 3 central air conditioning units at another commercial place in Iowa City. Here's this unit. This one's a Heil, pretty sure. It's a high efficiency 5000 unit. It is a 2.5 ton from 1992. And this unit actually has 2 blades. That's interesting. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's a Heil unit. And then over here are 2 ICP units. That one's running. This one's a 4 ton from 2012. Has a Copeland scroll. And here's this one, which is running. This one's a 4 ton from 2017. And these do not have logos, but I think they might be Heils, possibly too. But I don't know for sure. And this one is kind of beat up. But yeah, just I get a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.